Hey there, it's Kimberly here with Knit for Brains. Thanks so much for joining me today. So normally I come to you on a Monday or a Tuesday or a Wednesday, and sometimes I come to you on a Saturday. It kind of depends. However, I just got a shipment from my good old friends over at Lion Brand, and you know, it's like they know me. It's like they know exactly what I like. They know the colors that I like, the patterns that I like. It's like they know me. And I don't know if you knew this or not, but Lion Brand is the oldest yarn company in the entire United States. They were started back in 1878. I didn't know that. That was some new information for me. Just thought I would share that with you. So they were offering a sale, 30% off on their kits and a lot of their selected yarns. And I thought, you know, it's a sale, and you know how I am with my sales. So I thought, why not? Let's give it a try. So I got to show you what I got. Trusty scissors. These are not, by the way, my sewing scissors. These are my cutting open boxes scissors. You know you're not supposed to cross because then they get dull. So all right. So the first thing that I got actually was this yarn that I've been really wanting to try. It is their 100% baby alpaca, and it's online only. It's available only online. I think it was $7.99 a skein. It might have been $8.99, but they were offering it on clearance for $3.99 a skein. So I thought I'm going to give it a shot. This is called Silver, and it is so soft. This should be like touch-o-vision. You guys can see there's a little tiny bit of halo. It's a weight of a 3. Each skein has 146 yards. It is 100% baby alpaca, although no alpacas were harmed in the making of this yarn. It's really, really lovely. But yeah, it's called Silver. And I thought, I want to give this a try. It's so soft. So I ended up getting 10 skeins of this because it was like 40 bucks. And I thought, well, that's pretty, oh gosh, good. So I got these guys here. I got 10. I guess they come in packs of 3. And one more pack here. Okay, so there's my 10 skeins. The other thing that I got, which I haven't actually tried these before, so I'm a little interested to see how this works. I've never tried their kits before. And it's knitting. And I kind of fell in love with this. I got this pattern here. It's called the Snowfall Sweater Scarf. One of the things that I really found enjoyable about purchasing a kit from Lion Brand is they have these designers that they kind of feature. And so with my package, I got this really cute little postcard. And it just talks about the designer. So my designer, who did this guy, her name is Chantal. She is the purple-haired, potty-mouthed designer behind Knititude. I think I love her already. She has a focus on creating beginner-friendly designs and that for our knitting experience to be a success, one that makes you fall in love with the craft more and more. Her designs are simple, classic, and elegant lines that enjoy the basics of knitting but create the perfect everyday wearables. And you can also tag or hashtag Knititude Knits with your knit. Happy knitting, Chantal. I think I like her already. So that's kind of nice. You know, it's sort of like you've adopted this, you get this pattern, and you get these in these yarns. So that's sort of kind of fun. Chantal is my inspiration. So it is a scarf with sleeves. And I dug the pink hair, even though I wouldn't have the guts to go with pink, but I did. I love this. It says it's pretty easy. It's a level 2. And I just thought it was really pretty. And I liked, you know, that it was in the snow and the blonde and whatever. Anyway, so the deal is they were 30% off on their kits. And then, of course, you get the pattern for free. And then if you want to add in, you know, like yarn markers, stitch markers, or a hook or a needle, depending on what your craft is, you can obviously do that. I don't need any hooks or well, let's just say I didn't need them at the time. I mean, who doesn't always need more hooks? But anyways, so I got that pattern, but with it, it calls for using the wool ease. And I saw this and I thought, how pretty would this be as like a wonderful Christmas sweater? So I'm going to give this one a try. This is and so with it, I got 5 skeins. I got 5 skeins. So the 5 skeins is going to make that sweater. This is their wool ease. Now each skein has 197 yards. It is a weight of 4. It is 80% acrylic and 20% wool. And that's okay. I'm not hating it. You know, I usually like my natural fibers, but I love Lion Brand. I love the quality of their products. I have used this woolies before, and it's really nice. You can actually, what's nice is that even though it's wool, you can wash it like it's acrylic. You can put it in the washer, and I would probably lay it out flat. And I probably would hand wash it just because that's usually what I do with my knits, but you could. But I loved the color. The color is called cranberry, and I thought, well, that's such a pretty color, and wouldn't this be amazing? It's just like a really nice Christmas sweater. So it's a shawl with sleeves. I thought I can do that. So this kit, with these 5 skeins and these 10 guys here, oh, this is so soft. I'm kind of wishing I bought it for this. I mean, technically, well, see, this is a weight of 4, and this is a weight of 3. But it's about the same in yardage. This is 197, this is 146, but I got 10 of these and 5 of these. So technically, I could make this sweater using that baby alpaca. I suppose I could do both, couldn't I? Actually, I suppose I could do both, couldn't I? I could make this sweater out of this, and then I could make another one out of this. And it's just going to be a little bit lighter. Maybe I would change up the needle size. We'll see how it goes, because this would be actually a great, awesome, great pattern with this. Super, super soft. And I don't know. Gray really isn't my color. Not my color. The red, I thought the red could definitely be a color, but I don't know if the gray is. I don't know. Comment below. Let me know what you think. But I might end up making that sweater twice with these guys, because I thought it'd just be a really nice Christmas sweater. So that's it for today. Just me popping on with my Lion Brand unboxing with the sale that they're having on with their kits. 30% off on their kits and 30% off on a lot of their select yarns. So I actually got a few more yarns as well that are coming, some even for my mother. And if you missed this sale, because I don't know when you're going to watch this, you know, they're always kind of running sales. So go ahead and just go to their website, sign up for their emails, and then you find out about all their sales. But when they do have sales, they have really, really good sales. Plus, they have a rewards program, so you get points back for every dollar that you spend. I think maybe it's even $2. I got $5 off on this order, so that's not bad. Anyways, all of this together, so these 5 skeins and these 10 skeins, so 15 skeins cost me, with shipping, was $69. So that's not too bad. I didn't think that was too bad at all for a really nice, good quality yarn. So that's it. That's all I have for today, but I have so much more. So thanks so much for watching again. This is Kimberly with Knit for Brains. Tell your friends, tell anybody who has crocheted before or knitted or hasn't and they want some information on tutorials, please tell them to come over and join the fun, join our channel. We're so close to almost 1,000 friends, and that's really exciting. So make sure you hit that notification button so you know, like, ding, you get all the notifications when I post new material, new segments, and things like that. This is Kimberly with Knit for Brains, and as always, I'll see you soon.